Hey there, beautiful people of the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start by understanding the fundamental principles of anime hair. When drawing anime hairstyles, it's crucial to understand the direction and flow of the hair. That's why we must define the hairline and areas of our character's hair. Making a reference point or a root which divides the hair can help us, for instance, at the hair parting. From there, it becomes easier to see the direction that each section will take. As you can see, I've already drew the head and copy-pasted multiple times here. To know how I drew it, check out my previous video on how to draw anime head. Now, let's focus on creating the structure for our hair. Dividing the hair into sections will help us better visualize the final results and maintain symmetry. Hair can generally be separated into 3 sections: front, sides, and back. Once the basic shape is sketched, go over it with more defined and confident lines. Add details like strand separation and additional texture to give it that extra oomph. You can even use references from your favorite anime characters to get inspiration for unique details and styling elements. By using these guidelines, we can easily map out where each strand of hair will be placed. Remember, don't be afraid to experiment and add your personal touch. Now, when it comes to drawing anime hair, there is no right or wrong because it's all about expressing your own unique style. So don't stress if your lines aren't perfect, just have fun and let your creativity flow. Voila! We've created an amazing anime hairstyle from scratch. It's all about practice, experimentation, and embracing your own artistic style. Now, let's try another one. I want to give this dude a longer hair. I'll define his hairline. I want his hair to be parted in the middle and half tiled in the back. I want the hair in the back to be kinda curly. Following the same steps, I'll add more details. Okay, now for the third one. I want him to have shorter and little wavy hair. I'll define his hairline. In this hairstyle, the hair flows from one single point. so my sections should respect that. I will go section by section, adding details. If you are still watching, please like the video and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. That's all for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 with more hairstyles.